I have to say, this is the noisiest campsite we've ever had. I'm gonna have to talk to the owners about this.
Yeah, for real.
All that noise outside.
He's just happy he has a couch again. Do you like working in the camper so far? Coffee. Gotta have my coffee. Well, we are back in the camper again. Gonna be here all week. Totally different reason, totally different circumstance here. We're in the camper because our house is being renovated, so we're gonna be living in the camper for a week. And she's got to work in here, and this will give us a good, I guess, feel of how it's gonna be to work on the road.
We had to figure out the internet just a bit. But we'd love also to hear how you guys handle that are full-timers. What are your best internet options?
Yeah, we're looking at different internet options as far as cost effective as well as reliable. That's what's the thing is, because I know that there's lots that are reliable but are very expensive, and there's some that are not so great but they're affordable. Our house is not functional.
It's not.
We are in chaos.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, we are.
Just a little bit.
So this is why we are staying in the camper. We have no place to sit, no place to watch TV, no place to have a meal, no place to cook. So everything is out there for right now.
I have to say, this is the noisiest campsite we've ever had. I'm gonna have to talk to the owners about this.
Yeah, for real.
All that noise outside.
They're already laying the new roof on the house now. We are pretty excited. We had to live in our camper for 6 months just to save this house, and now we're able to get it renovated. So we're living in the camper again, but for a whole different reason. So whatever crisis you might be going through in your life right now, I encourage you, don't give up. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Just trust God, do as He says, and you will be blessed.
Hey Don and Lisa, I do want to do a quick post build for you guys. We did reflash the chimney for you guys. We cut into it, reflashed it, and recaulked it all the way around, as you can see. As you can see, here's your brand new roof. It looks really good. What we did, we gave you guys new pipe jack boots. We put those on for you guys. As you can see, he's actually going around caulking the nails right there, as you can see, and caulking all around that. And Just want to give you guys a quick video of your new roof. Hope you guys like it, and I'm glad you guys worked with True Roof. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
So what are you doing?
Working.
What do you do?
I do medical billing remotely.
Medical billing. Do you like your job?
I do.
All right, progress. The ceilings are done. We're probably gonna replace that ceiling fan.
Thank you, wall to wall.
Thank you, wall to wall painting service. They did the ceiling very, very well. Now, if you see those spots on the wall right there, that's because the people that put the popcorn ceiling on got it on the wall, and when they had to scrape it off to get everything done, and that's the reason why.
We're painting anyway.
And we're going to be painting again anyway, so it's just that whoever did the popcorn ceiling didn't do a great job, so that's why. Please be modern and bright, and may all your bricks be painted white.
You and your parodies. It's looking much brighter.
Yeah. Who's going to be coming in this room going, it's enough. I can't take it.
And it's clearly a first coat, but.
Well, as most of the renovations are done now, we are going to be moving stuff back into the house, and we're going to be getting the camper ready to be mobile again. We did experiment a little bit about internet out here. What we did, we couldn't get the Wi-Fi from the house to reach out here to the camper, so we tried Travelify. We got this internet service, you pay as you go. So far it's worked really good. She was able to get online. We were able to stream with this. This takes the strongest signal from any network and turns it into a Wi-Fi signal, and we can use this to go online and to work from the road, which is really good considering we are planning on traveling a lot more extensively now, now that all this stuff with the house is over with. And just like it is in October always, we go from using the AC to using the heat, all within 1 week. Now, as far as the camper goes, we're going to probably just have a few more trips before it gets too cold to actually travel with the camper. We're still going to be traveling, but not with the camper. We're going to winterize it and go ahead and put it in storage until the springtime. We don't do much traveling in the winter. Every once in a while we go down to Florida during the winter to get a little bit of a warm up. We might do something like that again sometime soon. But right now we're just, taking it easy, getting settled, getting some things done that need to be done. But we are going to be getting back out on the road soon, and we can't wait to share that with you. Well, obviously this was a very short video. If you want some more, if you want to learn how we made our journey to financial freedom, feel welcome to binge our Upgrading While Downsizing series. How we were able to turn a negative into a positive. We even were able to go up to visit Niagara Falls while we were living in our camper. We did a lot of things. We had a lot of fun. If you like renovations, that's another thing that you can find in the Upgrading While Downsizing series. We moved from renting a 3-bedroom house to living in a 30-foot camper. We cut our expenses down to the minimum so that we could get things caught up, get things paid off. We were able to finally get totally debt-free.
And look at my pretty ceiling. Thank you, brother.
Put paint on that ceiling, I put tape on that ceiling.
Really?
Oh yeah, you're gonna mess it up, I guarantee.
We moved from a.
This is why we're not camping. This is why all my weekends are. I go to work, I come home, and I work.
It was great. That was a lot of fun. We had a fun date night.
That was good. This is my first time at the High Point Theater.
It was really good.
This here's a pretty cool place. For a good night. It's cold.
not cold.
Definitely not summer anymore. Definitely not summer.